For now, we're going to move on to the latest on the measles outbreak in West Texas and a reminder of how serious and deadly this can be. Officials announced yesterday that a child who had caught the virus has died. This is the first measles death in the U.S. since 2015. Omar Villafranca is in Lubbock, Texas, where officials say this could have been prevented.
This virus can have severe and deadly consequences. The patient has passed away from complications caused by the measles virus.
A first in nearly a decade. Covenant Health in Lubbock County, Texas said Wednesday one school-aged child died of measles after not getting the highly effective vaccine. Across the state, at least 124 cases have erupted in 9 counties. U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., who has been critical of vaccines, said his office is monitoring the outbreak.
We are following the measles epidemic every day. There are about 20 people hospitalized, mainly for quarantine. We're watching it.
Local officials disputed that claim.
Are they being quarantined at the hospital?
No, we only admit patients who need to stay in the hospital because they need acute treatment that we can only provide in the hospital.
Dr. Laura Johnson says all patients hospitalized at Covenant Children's Hospital are actively receiving treatment.
In this case, it's really respiratory support. It's supplemental oxygen. We only want to admit those patients in the hospital who really need to be there.
Nationally, vaccines have dropped since the COVID-19 pandemic. According to CDC data, in 2023, measles vaccination rates for kindergartners was below the 95% threshold needed for herd immunity. All of Johnson's patients have been unvaccinated.
Measles is one of the most contagious viruses that we know of. 90% of susceptible patients will contract the measles if they're exposed.
Symptoms for the measles include the watery eyes, a cough, fever, and of course that red body rash. Now, doctors stress the measles vaccine, which is given in 2 doses, is 97% effective against the virus. Gayle?
That's something to really think about. Thank you, Omar, very much.